Hey guys, how's it going? It's Janie over here at JaniesSweets. In this video, I'm coming at you with a tutorial for how I made the simplest, easiest, most delicious caramel cake dessert you will ever find anywhere. Honestly, this cake was super easy to make. If you blink, you'll miss it. So here we go. I'm starting out with an 8-inch vanilla cake. I'm going to layer it or level it with a knife and then put inside my easy meringue buttercream. I have a recipe for that. If you're interested in knowing how I make my easy meringue buttercream, I'll link it for you guys below. Now, I'm using the pre-made stuff. You can make your own dulce de leche, of course, but this is supposed to be a super easy recipe, right? So I'm just going to use the Goya dulce de leche. I found this at my grocery store. You could find it anywhere that sells Goya products. I'm pretty sure any grocery stores will carry it. It's normally in the ethnic section, like where they sell the Hispanic or Asian foods. So keep layering your dulce de leche and your regular buttercream, and then to put another layer of cake on top. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you guys how I made this super easy is because very last minute my friend decided to come over to my house and it was her birthday. So I wanted to find a very easy but delicious dessert, and also I wanted it to be a cake because it is her birthday and I wanted her to cut something. So if you are stumped for, a quick easy dessert or a quick easy cake, this recipe is honestly going to be the one for you. The things that are going to take the most time, honestly, is baking the cake and making the icing. But you could use box cake mix if you don't want to make anything from scratch, and you could also use just regular American buttercream, which is even easier to make than my meringue buttercream. Now, right when I was going to show you how to do the drip design, I realized that I was not recording because I had turned off the camera and then turned it back on, and then yeah, it was not recording. But anyway, you guys kind of get the gist of how to do a drip design. You just kind of plop whatever it is, the chocolate, or in this case the caramel, right on top, and then you kind of help it around with your spatula, and it's gonna fall on the sides. Now, to decorate this cake, I am using some caramel popcorn, some mini chocolate chips, some marshmallows, mini marshmallows, and some candies. Now, not candies, chocolates. Now, whenever I'm using chocolate to decorate on top of a cake, I like to cut it in half, just because obviously, like, you don't want like a big piece of chocolate on top of your cake or your slice, but also it kind of shows what's inside. In this case, I chose to go with Reese's peanut butter cups, so the contrast was really, really nice. Now, I am just going to throw some mini chocolate chips all over the sides just for some added contrast. And then when I was done, this is how the cake turned out. It really, really, really was delicious. I'm telling you guys, like, you're not gonna believe your eyes when you're done with this cake. Now, if you guys have enjoyed this video at all, please give it a thumbs up so that I know, share it with your friends and family, and find me on Instagram or Facebook. My socials are at JaniesSweets. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.